Alright, this is Mike Sigula from TruthTheory.com, and today I want to show you how to do the Wim Hof breathing technique, which is extremely simple to do and extremely powerful. I've been experimenting with personal development techniques for 15 years at least, and I tried Qigong and yoga and 50 different types of meditations and many different things in my life, and this is one of my favorite things that can help you in boosting your immunity naturally. It's extremely simple to do, it's very powerful, it's easy to do. Only at the beginning, as with any new thing, you need to be patient, and first couple of sessions might not be as easy, but after a few sessions you get used to it, and you can do it even a couple of times a day. Normally on YouTube, for example, you have a free 3-round sessions which lasts around 11 minutes, but you can modify it the way you want. Sometimes I do only one round which lasts, 3 minutes or something, and honestly, I'm telling you, this method is amazing. I love it, not only because I feel really good after it, I'm not getting sick or anything like that. It's also really good if you want to take a break. Let's say you do some kind of mental tasks, you work at the office and you want to refresh your mind and you don't have a lot of time. You do 5 minutes of Wim Hof breathing and you feel so much better. I don't know a lot of things that can work like that, so it's really worth learning. It's super easy, it doesn't take a lot of time, and my mom, who is in her 60s, is doing it every day, twice a day. So if she can do it, I'm sure most of you can learn it as well. Remember that when you start any new thing, initially it's not that simple, it's not that easy, but after 5-10 days you get used to it and it becomes like brushing your teeth. So let's do it. I'm gonna do one round here just to show you how simple it is. Alright, so let's start. Basically gonna do 30 deep breaths according to the rhythm that Wim is providing, and then what happens, you exhale for I think 1 minute and you hold, and after that you inhale for another 15 seconds and you hold, and this is the whole one round. Let's first do this round, then I'm gonna explain to you how you can modify it to start with even something much easier than that.
Hi guys, welcome. This is a guided breathing session. Relax to the deepest. Lie down, sit down, whatever it takes. Relax. Are you ready? Here we go. Round number 1. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Just go with the flow of the breath. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, into the belly, into the chest, and let go. Like a wave. Make it circular. Fully in and letting go. Just keep on going. No pause between inhalation and exhalation. Ten more. Fully in, let it go. Five more. Let's give it all we got. Last one. Fully in and let go. All right. 1 minute breath hold from now on.
So you breathe out and hold.
Be in this moment. Let the body do what the body is capable of doing. Be aware of your heartbeat. Slow it down and just be in this moment. Let that relaxation spread down to your toes, into your fingertips, to the base of your neck and head. You are almost there. Do you want to prolong your breath hold? Pause the video now and continue when you feel the urge to breathe. Okay, recovery breath in, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. Exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Round number 2.
Alright, so this is one round. 30 deep breaths. You breathe out for 1 minute. You hold on out breath for 1 minute. And then you breathe in for 15 seconds and you hold. And this is one round. First time you're gonna do it, you might feel hot, tingling, anxious even. That's why you might start actually with 15 breaths, for example, and breathe out for maybe 30 seconds. Or you can do 30 breaths and breathe out for only 30 seconds instead of 1 minute straight away, because 1 minute for first timers might be a lot. So you need to adjust these things, but the general idea is that first you do a series of breaths, and later on you might do 40, you might do 30. For example, you can slow down the video on YouTube if your breaths are faster or slower. I like the pace, but for example, sometimes I do breathing through nose as well, or I'm gonna do maybe 5 breaths through my mouth and then 1 breath through the nose. And you can experiment with that. You're gonna see some differences as well. And that's it. You do 30 breaths, you breathe out, you hold, then you breathe in and you hold. And that's how simple this method is. And like I said at the beginning, it might not be that easy, but once you go through like 5-10 of these sessions, you're gonna start feeling better. It's gonna get easier. And even if at the beginning you don't feel that great, that's normal, So start with maybe 15 breaths and 20 seconds on out breath, and see how it goes. This method is extremely easy to do, extremely simple. You can just do 1 round on a break somewhere, on your lunch break, and you're gonna see how your mind gets clearer after the session, your digestion improves, you feel better, and the most important thing is that you are boosting your immunity naturally, without any chemicals, without any big pharma modifications. If you do it twice a day and you add cold showers to it, you're gonna see really major differences in your health. Wim Hof is I think he's in his 60s, and this guy is just a beast. He's swimming under the ice, doing marathons in extreme weather conditions, climbing some of the highest mountains in the world, wearing shorts. Obviously, he's a pro, but you're definitely going to see major differences if you're going to start doing this method. Again, if you're afraid of COVID and you want to boost your immunity naturally, this is where you should start. Honestly, this is the best thing one of the best methods and techniques I discovered over the years, and I'm extremely grateful to Wim and his team for developing the method, for sharing free videos on YouTube so we can do it every day. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Peace. So check out Wim Hof's YouTube channel where you can find his videos with his guided breathing method, and he has it in several different languages. The one that I'm using every day is the one called Guided Wim Hof Method Breathing. We'll add link to the description of this video, or you can find it on YouTube. Just type in Guided Wim Hof Method Breathing, or find his YouTube channel Wim Hof and then find the method there. Mike here. So I'm sure most of you know how tech giants are censoring independent voices such as TruthTheory, and in order for us to continue doing our work and creating content such as this video, we need help from people like you. So one way you can help is always by just sharing our content, but also you can become a Patreon supporter. And if you go to patreon.com/truththeory, you can become a patron there for as little as $3 a month, and you can cancel at any time. For our patrons, we offer things like exclusive content that you cannot find anywhere else. I also offer one-to-one mentoring and coaching through Patreon. So for example, if you want to start an online business or build your personal brand, or maybe you are a writer, you want to do some marketing, appear on some podcasts, or you're going for some kind of spiritual development process or spiritual awakening, and you need some help or guidance, or just regular personal development things. So it can be anything from dating to boosting your confidence, to improving your overall well-being, mental, physical health, happiness, reducing stress, or even things like helping you to discover your passion, your life purpose. Check out patreon.com/truththeory. And remember, when you join us on Patreon, you help us out in creating more content and reaching more people with important message. So you actually contribute to positive change and awakening of many, many thousands of people. So please consider supporting us on Patreon, and till next time.